Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the Unegnel, Unegnel massager. It's an foot massager. Comes with 4,250 RPM high frequency vibration. Not only for the foot, it's for the entire body possible to vibrate that. It's a massage of vibration. 6 gear and 4 massage heads are included. The lymphatic drainage device relieves the fatigue and the muscular relaxation. The hand massager from Unegnel is a low temperature comfort. It relaxes our muscles, soothes the meridians, lymphatic drainage to the maximum, the flexibility of our body. Compared to conventional fascial massages, the vibration foot massager from Unegnel offers a stronger vibration, a larger massage surface, and a quieter device. It is our ideal partner after fitness and competition trips. The high frequency vibration with 4,250 RPM is one of the biggest advantages of the foot massager electric device. The intensive tissue massage in a combination can maximize the blood circulation and promote the lymph drainage detoxification. Dairy and the anti-cellulite too. The Vibrastone muscle gun is an increase to 6 gears and equipped with 4 replaceable massage heads, which can be really individually adjusted depending on the degrees of the fatigue of our and more pleasant muscular relaxation. The Vibrastone is equally suitable for young and old people out there. The wireless massage gun is equipped with a 2000 mAh battery with a Type-C charging cable. The runtime is up to 4 hours. Use it for 15 up to 20 minutes a day to significantly relieve the muscle tension and the fatigue. The LCD display allows us to a clear view in the dark. Eye-friendly, baby. We can press the top to turn it on or off, and we turn to adjust the gear. It is recommended to start with a lower intensity, of course. A proper massage can be for our legs, necks, arms, back, and feet more comfortable and relieve the stress. The lymphatic drainage device, ergonomic design, and an allergen fits and perfect for use after a workout and during the competitions and helps us to achieve the better results. We should make sure that the device is turned off before replacing the massage heads, of course. If the vibration foot massager is no longer running, it may turn off automatically after 15 minutes of continuous operation or the battery is empty. We should recharge it. And we can use a laptop, a notebook, personal computer, AC adapter, power pack, power bank for it to recharge that device. You see, it's easy to operate with this Unegnel muscle massager. Powerful massager of the deep muscle groups. Relax our muscles, warm and comfortable. It promotes the blood circulation. It reduces cellulite. 1 up to 2 gear, for example. Awakening of the muscles. Relaxation of the fat there is 2,250 up to 2,850 RPM and 3 for up to 4 gears, activation of the muscle groups, breakdown of the lactic acid, 3,350 to 3,550 RPM are possible, and 5 up to 6 courses. The muscle repair deep massage comes from 3,850 RPM to 4,250, and that brings us joy and an helping high frequency vibration massager. Faster massager, intensity level increased up to 6 gears. Really individual, tailored of the degrees of fatigue. So take care. 1 up to 2 gear, people with a mild fatigue. 3 up to 4 gears, people with a medium fatigue. And 5 to 6, people with a with a strong fetish. We have a professional massage heads to care of every muscle. For example, the head with the one dot convex point type fixed point massage can be used on the whole body, or the two dots, the ball type body massage is suitable for the waist, thigh, and arm. And we have with the four strong holds, wave types. Active, deep massage can be used on the whole body. And we have five finger-like types. Intermittent deep massage applied in case of a severe fetish. So it's turn the mesh cover counterclockwise to release it. Then we pull it out of the mesh cover from the device. We remove the massage head and replace it with the desired massage head, and we align the buckle groove and twist it clockwise to tighten it. We make sure that the device is turned off before replacing, of course. And large massage areas are included. The massage device size is 20 cm to 6 cm, weight only 0.7 kg. The diameter of the low massage head is 6 cm. Ordinary massage have a diameter of 3 up to 5, so we can enjoy a larger pampering area. And we have a powerful battery with 2000 mAh. Charging time approximately 5 hours, running time 2 or 4 hours. If the neck massage is no longer running, it will turn off automatically after 15 minutes. And the foot massager is an electric, easy-to-use device. We press on the top to turn it on or off and turn the adjusted gears clockwise or anti-clockwise. This is a full-body muscle massager for everyone. This massages a low and a comfortable temperature that makes our shoulders, neck, waist, back, legs, arms, and soles more relaxed. That's possible with that Unegnel massager. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Sunshine.